Oranges are those sunny, happy, bright-colored fruits that everyone loves to snack on. They are often eaten by athletes because they give you a quick burst of energy when needed. However, these fruits have so much more to offer than just a quick snack. They are so loaded with healthy goodness, we should eat them as often as we can. 1. Stops hair loss. Bet you never knew that about oranges. The high vitamin C content in oranges is something required by your body to make collagen, which is what makes up the tissues in your hair. Forget about bald patches, just eat more oranges and ensure that your hair stays on your head and not on your brush. 2. Protects your kidneys. Drinking orange juice regularly can prevent kidney diseases as well as reduce the risk of developing kidney stones. 3. Improves heart health. This fruit is simply bursting with potassium, a mineral that is very important for helping your heart to function properly. Should your body become low on potassium, you can develop an abnormal heart rhythm, known as arrhythmia. 4. Promotes stomach health. Oranges are an excellent source of fiber, which can keep your entire digestive system healthy. Diets that are high in fiber help to protect you from problems like constipation and stomach ulcers. 5. Brain development. Folic acid and folates promote healthy brain development as well as keep your organs in tip-top shape, and oranges have tons of both. In fact, oranges are an especially important fruit for pregnant women as they ensure the baby will have a healthy development of their brain. 6. Constipation. Oranges are full of soluble, dietary fiber, which stimulates digestive juices in the stomach and digestive tract and can relieve, as well as prevent, constipation. 7. Eyes. Oranges are an excellent source of carotenoid compounds, which your body will convert into vitamin A. This vitamin is super important for eye and skin health. 8. High blood pressure. Hesperidin, a flavonoid found in oranges, helps to regulate high blood pressure. Oranges are also a good source of magnesium, another mineral vital to your blood pressure. 9. Supports and protects healthy skin. Beta-carotene is a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from being damaged by those free radicals and prevents the signs of premature aging and wrinkles. Oranges are loaded with beta-carotene. Find out more foods that give you balanced hormones and great skin. 10. Cancer. Oranges are a treasure chest when it comes to citrus flavonoids, which are proven to fight against a number of cancers including colon cancer, stomach cancer, skin cancer, lung cancer, and breast cancer.